In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and optimize your Google business profile to get ranked #1 on Google Maps. If you're a local business owner, this is the single most important asset that you have. It's free, it drives the highest quality leads, and if you aren't in the top 3 map pack, you're basically invisible to local customers. So make sure you watch this entire video because what I'm about to show you can completely change your local business. Again, it's free traffic, it's high quality leads searching for your services, and it's customers that are ready to buy. I've helped many local businesses optimize their profiles, and we've seen calls double, even triple in less than 30 days. I'm gonna go through creating or claiming your listing, setting up your categories the right way, optimizing your description, review strategy, and advanced ranking hacks that most competitors are missing. All right, let's get started. So over on the computer, you're gonna search for Google Business Profile Setup, and I'll leave a link in the description for this and as well as anything else I talk about. And you're gonna come to this website. The page should look something just like this. You wanna stand out in Google with a free business profile. We're gonna click Start Now, but I'm gonna show you, again, it's free. This is super easy to set up and get ranking in Google on the maps. You can set up personalized hours, posts, photos, all that stuff. It's basically your first impression for someone searching for your service. So whether you do activation, cleaning, HVAC, electrical, or plumbing, you can basically rank in Google in the top 3, top 5. And when someone searches for you, you have a good amount of reviews, you have a phone number, a website connected to it. It all works together. And they're going to trust you, know you, like you, and basically call you for business. It's easy to connect with other customers, easy for them to reach out to you, and you can really show the offers and products and services you know. Plus, you get to look at the analytics every month to see how many people have interacted with your profile, how many calls you got from it, how many text messages, how many website visits, and it's going to be simple and easy to do. We're going to get started right now. Click Start Now. So I have a good friend, Joe, that started an excavation business recently, and I reached out to them just to ask if he had a Google business profile or how he's getting customers, and he said no. And I said, Joe, that's the first thing you need to do as a business owner. It's so important to be on Google and have that profile set up and optimized. So any customer in his local area that's searching for his services, he's gonna rank and he's gonna be able to get called and leads coming in for free. So I'm gonna use his as an example as I'm creating this business profile. And we're gonna make sure on the business name, you want this to match the exact business that you have. So you wanna make sure that everything is in line together, that it matches your phone number, that it matches your address, your website, all that stuff. So we're just gonna click continue. So you're gonna select which type of business you are. We're not selling things online. We're not an e-commerce store. We're not a local store. There's no one that's gonna come and visit them. It's a service business, and that's what most of you guys are gonna be. So we're gonna click next there. All right, next is picking your business category. This is super important. You wanna pinpoint exactly the service that you offer and make sure that Google knows this is what your main business is about. So one thing that I definitely recommend is just go to ChatGPT. I typed in, you're a local SEO expert. Anytime you're using AI, you want to tell it what it is and tell it the problem that you're having and how it can help you. So I kind of put in all of his information, and now it's basically going to walk me step by step how to set this up correctly and optimize it. There's no sense in doing this on your own without using AI. It's going to help you maximize the efficiency of it. And I'll make sure to share all the secret tips and tricks to make you really stand out. So first category is going to be excavating contractor. That's what Joe wants to do, and that's kind of the service that he offers. Where do you serve customers? This says optional. It's not optional. You want to make sure you put in where your service is provided. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of the areas that he put in, and that way we cover all of the bases. These are all the entire area that he wants to serve, and Google will make sure to share that with customers. And I'm making sure that it's all New York. You don't want to have one from out of state on accident or anything like that. And after this is done, I will make sure, nope, see, so that one I just did, Missouri, we don't want to do that. New York, Mount Morris. So just make sure they're all say New York. These are all of the service areas where we're going to basically offer. And again, you can customize this later on. We're setting up for the first time. I'll show you how to go back in and optimize it and edit anything. All right, so next is gonna be contact details on how customers are gonna actually reach out to you. You obviously wanna put your phone number here. I recommend getting a business phone number for anyone that owns a business. That way people aren't contacting your personal phone to reach out to you. We actually offer this service, and we offer missed call text back to customers inside my agency, Savvy Systems. So that's something that you can look into long term, but when you're just getting set up, you can definitely put your personal number here. And again, a business number is probably optimal, but we're gonna make sure that we put this in correctly. Joe does not have a website yet. We're gonna work on that. And here's the chat. So if anyone wants to text message, you can also use WhatsApp, but I'm sure Joe wants text message. So we're gonna click continue there. All right, this next step is put your business on the map. It's just asking you to sign up for newsletters and invites into special surveys and stuff. I'm gonna click continue. All right, next is gonna be verifying the mailing address. We don't wanna actually put an address in here because Joe doesn't have a storefront. It's not like people are coming to him like he's a restaurant or a retail store. He's a service provider that basically works from his house or his business and then goes out and does the work. So we're gonna go ahead and click verify later. And now we're gonna add our services. So we're gonna go back to ChatGPT and make sure that we have which services we are providing here. And again, we wanna make sure that primary category is definitely selected. So excavator contractor, and we can do secondary kind of septic system service, drainage service. So we'll do, I'm sure he can do, so excavating, driveway removal, demolition, dirt removal, debris removal, foundations. So I'm gonna actually add some customer service as well. Drainage, I think. Demo. We're gonna add in all the services that we can. Driveways. So you want to select all the services that you provide. Again, more the better, but also you don't want to overstretch yourself or say things that you don't actually serve. So make sure that you are kind of pinpoint on the stuff that you are actually providing for your customers. Click next. So we're gonna go ahead and add business hours, and Joe wants, I believe 24/7, no, not 24. Joe wants to be open from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. All right, so just confirm that the hours are correct. Make sure there's PM and AM, and we're gonna click next. Hey, real quick, if you're getting value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure you check out the links in the description. It's gonna show you our exclusive 30-day trial to the software we use for all of the local business marketing that we do. Missed call text back, automated reviews, websites, CRM, all in one inbox. It's all down below. You can even optimize your Google business profile with it. Check it out, let's keep going. All right, so next we're gonna add the business description. This is super important to make sure that we have something optimized for Google that is actually communicating to Google and customers what we actually offer. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that this sounds good. JLC Services LLC provides professional excavation and site preparation services throughout Livingston, Ontario, Steuben, and surrounding areas. We specialize in septic system installation, repair, drainage solutions, land clearing, demolition, driveway install, driveway removal, grading, and difficult terrain mowing for hillsides and overgrown properties. Whether preparing for a new build site, fixing water issues, or reclaiming property access, we focus on reliable work, clear communication, and long-term results. So overall, this looks really good to me. It looks optimized. Again, we have excavation and site preparation services right at the top. We have the counties that we're serving. We have some of the subcategories like land clearing, demolition, driveway removal. And then we talk about reliable work, clear communication, long-term results. So far, that's really good. We're gonna go ahead and click next. Next is gonna be adding a storefront photo. If you don't have a storefront, you can skip this and we can add images later. So right now, add photos of your business. So this is a very, very important thing to, again, show Google that you're a real legitimate business. These aren't stock photos. You wanna use real photos from your work, from you, your equipment, before and after photos, if you're a roofer, before and after of the demolition, contractors, all that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and select photos, and Joe gave me a bunch of them, which is amazing. So I'm just gonna kind of go through and select all of them to upload. The more, the better. You want around 10 to 20 when you're first getting started. And again, the more, the better. And you wanna constantly go in once a month and kind of add more photos to continue to show Google. All right, so I have a picture of Joe and his excavator here, which is awesome. Some before and after photos of him working and removing land. And I'm just gonna go ahead and click next. And then you can claim a $500 advertising credit. They want you to basically advertise that. It's not gonna go away, so you can click skip. Your edits are visible once you are verified. You can continue to make updates on your profile anytime. All of your edits will be visible to customers on Google once you've been verified. All right, now we have the Google business profile set up, but we need to make sure it's verified. A lot of business owners will go through that entire process of setting up their business profile, but they won't verify their business, and that is absolutely critical in order to rank and show up on Google to your customers. All right, so if you ever get lost on where to go to actually manage your business profile, you can go ahead and click these 9 dots and then click Business Profile Manager. That's gonna go ahead and bring you this page. And then on this page, you're gonna click Get Verified. This is where you can edit your profile. I'll go back through and share what to do there. And you can add your website. You can put up a new post. Performance here, you're gonna be able to click and see how many people visited your profile, how many calls you got, how many text messages you got, how many people are actually visiting your website from your Google profile. You can click Edit Services here. So if I put one in here, maybe he doesn't do ditches. I can remove that. I can add services. Again, we're gonna wait to get verified. You can add Q&A section, all that stuff to optimize your profile. So I'm gonna go ahead and click Get Verified, and we're gonna put in Joe's address. And we're gonna go ahead and click Next. So there's gonna be two ways to get verified. Sometimes it's more difficult than others and you have to actually record a business video, basically show inside your office or you out and about using your equipment, a logo on your truck, whatever it may be, to show you're a legitimate business, show that you're actually doing it so that Google's not getting a bunch of spam businesses up on Google. Now, if you're lucky, you can just verify it with a phone code. So we're gonna go ahead and try that with Joe now. I'm gonna send him a text message and I got him on my phone here. Hopefully he can send back the code. And again, if you're having problems, you can verify in multiple different ways. You want to make sure that you're doing this right the first time, because if Google kind of tags you as not being legitimate, they can make life very difficult on getting you verified. So doing it right the first time is definitely the most important thing to focus on. We don't have a storefront photo. We don't want to claim our $500. And they will be verified within 5 days. So we should be pretty good. That's start to finish. Google's processing our verification. It takes up to 5 days. And in the meantime, I probably wouldn't touch anything as far as optimizing anymore. I would wait until Google verifies you. Then it's super simple and easy to kind of continue to customize. But in order to customize things and go back in and make sure that things are optimized, you want to go into edit profile. Business name, you're not going to be changing. Category, you're probably not going to be changing. You might change the description here and there. I can add the opening date here. I have that. That just shows Google how long you've been in business for. Obviously, the longer, the better. So I'm going to go January 2025. Any social profiles? I'm going to go ahead and put Joe's personal Facebook page there so people can reach out to him on Facebook as well. If you have a business Facebook page, you would put that there. Again, website, no location. Yep, we don't have a location because they're not actually coming to us. I'm just going through and making sure everything is good to go. So everything looks good to me. It is optimized, ready to go. I'm just going to add another space there. And good to go. Now this is going to allow Joe to be shown in his local service area when people type in excavator contractor, driveway removal, septic tank, all that stuff. He's gonna be able to show up on the Google Map pack. So let me show you what that looks like. So I typed in excavating in Albany. This is just a different area, just to give an example. And these top three, one of them doesn't even have, or two of them don't have a website. They have very little reviews. So from this alone, Albany's a pretty big city. I can tell that this is going to be absolutely huge for Joe to be on Google. First of all, there's not that many excavating contractors out there. This shows me, 5 reviews, 1 review, 9 review. Getting a few reviews is going to get him ranked on #1 very quickly. And I'm sure a lot of these don't have a full optimized system. Again, no images. So Joe's already doing well as far as an optimized profile. No website. We can definitely work on that. This one's got some images and all that, but I don't think they have, they don't have all the services provided. So our page is definitely filled out way better than most of the competitors, even though this is a different area. But that's a really good sign to show that, excavating contractors, companies, they don't even think about using Google, which is great because then we can come in and help do that. Listen, your Google profile is not just another online listing, it's digital real estate. And in today's online world, businesses that control the map pack control all the leads. If you follow everything we covered in today's video, set up your profile correctly, chose the right categories, optimized every section, and constantly get reviews, you're already going to be ahead of 90% of your competition. Most business owners either don't know this stuff or they set it up once and forget about it. Don't be that business. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really helps this channel, and comment below with what type of business you run. I read every single comment. And again, all the software and the links that I talked about are going to be in the description. And if you want to go deeper into local marketing and SEO that actually dominates in your area, make sure to watch this next video right here where I break everything down. I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching. God bless.